Hi there, Tony Maynard here, and you're at Tony's Insane Bonus Bundle, and today I'm doing a review on Profit Launcher. Make big profits daily without having to pay for any recurring fees. This simple system generates us $50, 60 cents a day without spending a dime. We provide the templates, so it's super easy. So what is Profit Launcher all about? Profit Launcher will show you step by step how to make daily commissions, whether you are new to affiliate marketing or experienced yet not currently getting the results you want. No website, no email, and no tech skills are needed. Simply follow the strategy to start earning commissions consistently. The best part about Profit Launcher is that you can do this with zero recurring fees. Prices and upsells. Front end Profit Launcher $12.95. Access to powerful Profit Launcher software and training modules. Upsell number 1. Profit Ranker $37. Want to outrank your competition? Want to increase your traffic and sales? Then Profit Ranker is the tool you need. Upsell number 2, Profit Abundance for $4.95. Our good friends at Team Alpha are letting us give away their amazing product, Profit Abundance, at an unbelievable price. Upsell number 3, Reseller Rights, $37. Here you can resell Profit Launcher as your own, keep the commissions on the whole funnel. Upsell number 4, Personal Coaching, $197. If you want to take the fast way to steady profits, this service is perfect for you. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. A unique free method, totally newbie friendly, no putting your face on camera, no tech skills required, no email list or website needed, complete step-by-step training provided, learn how to outrank your competition, gain market authority fast, real proof that this system works. Everything is completely free. All of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. Get Profit Launcher now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, value $427.95. ClickBank Mastery for newbies. And this is a course which you can get, which is downloadable. It goes onto your computer, and when you open it, it's a series of videos which will teach you how to master ClickBank and what products to choose and all that, and why you should choose them, and yeah. So it's a full instruction course. So yeah, get into that. Bonus number 2. You're gonna need that with Profit Launcher. Bonus number 2, value $46.95. With Profit Launcher, you're also going to get $200 per day on autopilot. There's a video that you're going to get to know how that was done. That's by John Armstrong and how he did that. And this is a hint on how you can do it as well with Profit Launcher. Bonus number 3, $344.95. Use Instagram influencers. This is another video about how to use Instagram influencers. To benefit yourself, and how to how to get them, influence them and get them to help you with your business with Profit Launcher. Bonus number 4, access the Furgo breakout first 12 hours. This is this is a traffic course which you have to sign in. You have to open an account for, email address and password, and you get into here. You can learn how to use the Furgo method to get traffic to your Profit Launcher offers. Okay, to your Profit Launcher business, right? Bonus number 5, or access all the vendor bonuses. Click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. Yes, that's right. And when you do, you click on any of these yellow buttons. Click here to secure your copy of, you'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up a copy of Profit Launcher. We'll go to the Profit Launcher sales page now. Here we go. When it loads, here we are. Same same system without having to pay any recurring fees. So there you go. And there's your video to watch. It's same headline as on the bonus page. So a unique free method, totally newbie friendly. No putting your face on camera, no tech skills, no email list or new website needed. So same as on the bonus page, proven method with no risk. Click here to get access right now. No risk, 30-day money-back guarantee. So the Profit Launcher is brought to you by Salak and Kieron. Yeah, there you are. There you have it. Take a look at Profit Launcher. There you go. Some proof of income, proof that it works. Some testimonials. What you can achieve when you keep at it. Introducing Profit Launcher. Perfect for new or struggling affiliates. No tech skills required. No email or website necessary. Step-by-step training. 30-day money-back guarantee. When you pick for Profit Launcher, you will receive these custom bonuses. Bonus number 1, Instagram traffic explosion. Bonus number 2, ClickBank mastery. Bonus number 3, ultimate TikTok hack. Bonus number 4, double dragon. Bonus number 5, CPA underground secret for big profits. Click here to get your access right now. No risk, 30-day money back guarantee. So front end's $12.95. So, and that's what that is. Don't buy without risk. Don't like it? No problem. Profit Launcher with a 30-day fully money back guarantee. Here you go. So that's that. That's the sales page. We're going to the members area now. Here we go into the members area when it loads. Okay, here we are at the members area. Lesson welcome from Saleka. So welcome from Sulek. And what you got. You got Profit Ranker, Profit Abundance, Reseller Rights, and Profit Launcher Mastery, which is all the upsells. Okay, dashboard support and logout. Here you got your welcome from Salek, welcome from Kieran, which is right here, and you got your case study. Yeah, case study. Mindset for profit. Right, probably it's about how you think. Whether you don't quit straight off the bat, or just go through this sequentially, like one video at a time. Setting up for profit, setting up your YouTube account, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Screencast-O-Matic, OBS Studio. Yeah. for finding an offer, finding a good offer, get your affiliate link approved, staying organized. Well, when you're getting your affiliate link approved, you need though to do that with Warrior Plus and JVZoo. The vendors have to approve your link. Yeah, see, with ClickBank, that's not the case, but with Warrior Plus and JVZoo, that is the case. Yeah. So there'll be a bit of instruction on that, I guess, and staying organized, which is very important. Set the demo. Get the demo video. That's something you can. Some vendors do them, some vendors don't. Upload into YouTube, which is this is be your video. Create your stunning thumbnail. So what you've got to do, I guess it's this. I can smell what this is about. You do a review on a product, and then you create a thumbnail for that review, and that's what you do. Put that and when you put it up on YouTube. So that's how that works. Making a review video with bonuses, free method. So see, so I mean that's what I said it was, and it is. Intro, getting review access. You see, that's another thing you have to have, which is it's not a lot of some of the vendors just won't give it to you. It's just that's what happens. I've had that happen to me twice this week. Google Slides Part 1, Google Slides Part 2, bonus and bonus pages, which I know how to do. That's easy enough to do. Google Slides Part 3. So obviously they're going to teach you how to do this, how to make a video. Whether they do it right or not is another thing. Well, you need Commission Gorilla with that, which is what I use. See? Making a review video with bonuses, Commission Gorilla. So there you go. Here it is, introducing, setting up your account, creating your CG bonus part 1, Commission Gorilla, creating your Commission Gorilla bonus page part 2, uploading bonuses, intro, uploading bonuses, structuring your review video. So that's with Commission Gorilla, right? And then the next one is evergreen videos. Why evergreen videos? Using other YouTube creators' content, yes, which is a good idea. Planning your video, uploading your evergreen video, creating your thumbnail, and 5x your commissions. And then you've got support. Any questions? Upgrades. You got your upgrades, all upgrades, and then you got your bonuses. And that's the members area. That's the members area. That's the end of that. So all you have to do here is just go through this sequentially, each video one at a time, learn what you need to learn, go through it once, go through it twice, and if you have to take notes and maybe go through it a third time and implement. When you implement, then you'll find out, and then you got to do it over and over again. You just don't do it once and then two, three times or whatever. You just don't, because if you do that, you get no results, and you get down in the mouth, and you go, oh, this doesn't work, I'm going to quit now. That's what happens, and most people do that. But that's the mistake of 99% of the population who do not understand what the 1% do. See, the 1% don't go after the money. The 1% do what they do because they enjoy doing it, and that's all it is. See, but unfortunately, most people, they dogged by the money. They're 99%. They want the money, and that's all there is to it. So I'm going back to the bonus page now, showing you the bonuses you get with Profit Launcher. Again, we'll run through those again. Here we are. Your ClickBank Mastery for newbies. You know, that's the course. $200 per day on autopilot video. Use Instagram influencers. Another video. And then the access to this course for traffic. We go breakout, and then all the and then all the vendor bonuses. Missed out something, didn't? Yes, you did. I should take action today and access all the vendor bonuses. I'm not gonna, yeah. So there you go. That's my bonus page. I'm Tony Maynard. I missed out some stuff, but that's okay. I'm not going to go back and do that now because I've done the video. I've done the review, and that's it. You can get this. You know, you can get this product, Profit Launcher, by clicking here on clicking any of the yellow buttons on this bonus page. Click here to secure your copy of Profit Launcher and the bonuses, and when you do, you'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up a copy of Profit Launcher. And then when you do, when you pick up the $12.95 in the front end, you'll still get your bonuses. You know, you're probably better off to get to purchase the front end and one upsell, and that's it. And then you'll have full access to this. And then when you've done that, when you'll be taken to your Warrior Plus account where you can access your purchase and access the bonuses. And I'm Tony Maynard. That's me here. And you'll be able to access this this bonus page in the description of the video what I'll be putting up on YouTube. Okay, and thank you for staying with me to the end, and I'll see you again on the next video of and review that I do. Thank you again. Bye for now.